Hey there, Profiteers. Welcome to the very first edition of my new 2-Minute Money series from Personal Profitability. My name's Eric Rosenberg and I'm here in beautiful Ventura, California. I came down to the beach today to help you guys learn about how to get started with managing your personal finances. So I look at personal finances as a multi-tier system where you can build up from a base. So you gotta start with that base. And where does that base come from? There's two factors you really have to look at. One is your budget and the other is your income. You really have to master both of those things if you want to move on to more advanced topics like investing and purchasing real estate and starting a business. It all starts at home. It all starts with that core look at inputs and outputs of your money. So if you don't have one already, I highly recommend you get started with a budget. There are a bunch of free budgeting apps you can use to do that. Whatever you will use that, because that's what works best. There's no right or wrong, it's just what you will actually use. Next, you want to focus on your income. Look at your job. Are you doing as well as possible in your career? Do you have any opportunities to find a quick win, get a raise, build that income up higher? Those are the two places you have to start, because ultimately your income minus your expenses equals your net income. That's what you have left over. And if you want to look at your money like a business, you have to make it work like a business. So start with those two inputs, maybe make your own personal income statement so you know how you stack up. We'll have a link to that below, and you will be on your way to mastering your money. Thanks, and we'll talk to you next time.